Hello everyone, my name is Carol and welcome aboard to Knitting on a Hook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a folded cast-off hem. So let's get to it. Once you've reached the hem point, you're going to increase your tension dial by 3 to 4. You're going to knit one row. Place the tension dial back into your main tension, and you're going to knit the amount of rows necessary for the length of your hem. In this case, I'm going to knit 12 rows. On the swatch, you can clearly see the row of stitches knitted at a looser tension. Using your transfer tool, I'm going to pick up all these loose stitches and hang them on the needles. To help me find the stitch, I place my thumb at the base of the stitch, place the transfer tool inside, and hang it on the needle. Move over to the next stitch. It does get a little confusing, so by keeping your thumb at the base, they're easier to find. I like to pick up the edge stitch at the end. I find it a little easier that way. Once all the stitches are on the needles, we're going to knit them through by placing the last row on the back of the latch and knitting the stitch through it by pulling back towards the B position. Place the last row behind the latch. Pull the needle back into B position and knit the stitch through. Once all the stitches have been knitted, you can see your hem underneath, and you can now cast off. This is the hem from the inside and from the outside, and by placing an elastic inside the hem, it can be used as a waistband. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you would like to see more, you can click on the red subscribe button in the corner of the screen. It's going to take you to my channel where you can browse around. Thank you for watching Knitting on the Hook. Bye for now.